Level 4, Unit 6, Listening Practice.
Listen to the lecture, answer questions 1 to 10.
Students, today we delve into the fascinating world of designing buildings, where history meets innovation. In particular, we will explore the captivating journey from the Baroque architecture to the contemporary designs we see today. Baroque is spelled as B-A-R-O-Q-U-E. Baroque architecture is a highly decorative and theatrical style, which appeared in Italy in the early 17th century and gradually spread across Europe. One remarkable example is the grand project undertaken by engineer Timothy Bijoux, a renowned French architect. The project is scheduled for completion by December 2024. That means a year from now, people can see the magnificence of the building. This exceptional structure stands on a plot of 1,918 square meters. Interestingly, it can accommodate 15-story of exquisite design. To fully appreciate the notion of timelessness in building design, one must consider the Baroque era with its ornate and extravagant style. The inspiration drawn from this period often captivates the attention of designers, leading to the creation of stunning architectural masterpieces that endure even after 170 years. However, as we venture into the present, it is important to acknowledge the fusion of traditional elements with contemporary aesthetics. The forthcoming project by engineer Timothy Bijoux exemplifies this with an estimated budget of $85,000. It is devoted to achieving a harmonious balance between historical charm and modern sophistication. By the way, his last name, Bijoux, is written as B-I-J-O-U-X. It's a French name, which means jewelry, so you don't say Bijoux.